Hi and welcome to the short tutorial. In this video I will show you how to fix Instagram could not refresh error. So if you are facing this type of the error on your Instagram, then watch this video till the end and you have to follow the same procedure. And if this video really helps you out, to subscribe to my channel. So if you are facing this type of the error on the Instagram, there is different reason behind it. So first reason is that maybe your internet connection is not so strong, so make sure your internet connection is strong while using Instagram. Other way is that if still you are facing this type of the error, you can simply go to the settings, and from here you have to search for the apps and the notification. Once you will do it, here you have to search for the Instagram, tap on it. Once you will do it, now you have to click on the storage and the cache, and once you will do it, simply clear your cache and open your Instagram application. Maybe your problem will be solved, and if your problem will solve, drop in the comment. And if you have any question, you can ask me in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.